Today I'm going to show you the new Eureka Airspeed Zuum vacuum cleaner. I just picked this up at Target, and the reason I bought this one is because it claims to be better than a Dyson at half the price, and it was on sale. I bought this for $85, and if you look at some of the design, it looks very similar to what a Dyson looks like. And just give you a few more shots of the features it advertises. So I'm going to unbox this and show you guys what it looks like. Here we have quick start guide, the manual, the parts list with an extra belt, brush head, this for the stair brush, this for the crevice tip, and I guess this for the back part of it. Yeah, you can see where the wire will loop around. We have a box here, a couple of tubes, and this is the unit. So let's put this together. Here you see all the parts. I've laid it out. That's a base with a motor. Here's an extension pipe, the handle, the canister, the attachments, and I'll get a close-up of this canister here. And again, it looks quite similar to like a Dyson vacuum cleaner. And at the bottom also has a release to release all the stuff you vacuum up. Alright, so I placed the handle over the bottom part where the base is, and there's one single screw. Just tighten that up. Now I'm going to put the hose into the bottom here. You'll see there's a couple of notches here, and it slides right in there. Once you put it in there, twist this clockwise, locks it in. I've wrapped the power cord to the back, and the attachment here, this one is pretty cool. It actually is just magnetic. There's a magnet on both sides. It just sticks on there. Lastly, I'm going to put the canister on. And that's it. So I'm going to try it out, and I want to mention that the bottom of the canister has a HEPA filter built in, and you can actually twist off this cap and remove it. The front has the height adjustment like any vacuum cleaner. Okay. And on the back there's a selection for floor, so it basically put the suction on the floor to vacuum your carpet, or if you switch over to tools, then it'll actually use this tube here, or this hose here, to vacuum up anything you know, if you hook up the attachment to this hose. And also there's a little latch here. If you press the latch here, this pipe or this hose here will extend out further out. So I think in total it advertised being 8 feet in total if you extend everything. So I'm going to put this back to floor, and the on-off button is here. So let's try it out. So there it is. Obviously it's brand new, so I can't really evaluate on how well it works a month down the road, but I just want to show you guys this new Eureka Airspeed Zuum vacuum cleaner, which again they claim to be better than Dyson at half the cost. So if you have any questions, leave a comment, and if you like the video, subscribe. Alright, thank you for watching.